Guys, today I'm gonna show you my fidget spinner. So this one I buy it from Buckort 2 Plus. This one is $6 plus tax, so $7. This one I forgot where I buy this, but it's $19. So almost like it's $20 because it's $19.99. So yeah, thanks for